some months ago now, 8, 9, almost a year, I don't know, I got into mattress vacuums. And today I have a brand new one from the brand FEPPO. And what's cool about this is that my first one was a corded one by the brand FEPPO. I still use it. I have 5 different mattress vacuums now. But then FEPPO sent me this one in exchange for my honest opinion. So we're gonna see what it's like today. I used it the other day. I will show you the unboxing in a bit. It's powerful. I just did 2 accent chairs that don't get sat on a lot, and it picked up a lot in a short amount of time. It's also got some really cool features like the dust mite index. Now, these are traditionally called mattress vacuums, but vacuum your couch. Seriously. Quick little intro to what you can expect out of this vacuum. It's 18 kPa with a high frequency tapping at 52,000 times a minute, which helps to really shake up the dust particles. Now, super quick to get started with. There's not really a whole lot you need to know. And the device itself weighs just under 3 pounds, pretty lightweight. It's got a nice display front and center to see exactly what you're looking at. Just a simple power button. 2 speeds, it gives you your battery percentage and a few other indicators which we'll touch on. Great handle placement, really easy to maneuver, and again, less than 3 pounds. Charging port under the handle, couple wheels to help you push this along, UVC sanitation, and of course, easy access to the roller brush in case you needed it. And this is a 70,000 RPM brushless motor. You have a brush and silicone underneath here. The dust cup release button is easy to find. You do kind of need 2 hands for it, but I love the clear dust cup so you can see everything. Got a couple layers for the filter, and it even comes with a backup. We use couch covers. All right, I'm taking them off. And these are like waterproof covers too. But we have kids and they make messes, and insane what lives inside. All right, so I'm gonna talk you through the experience here. I won't let it drag on, but here's what you need to know. Typically, I like corded options, but this has just as much power as most of the corded options, and somehow it's only 3 pounds. So as long as the battery lasts, it actually can make for a good option. This is better than just a traditional floor vacuum for a few reasons. One would be the ultrasonic vibrations, the UVC light at the bottom for sanitation on your surfaces. It's a lot easier than having to move your full-size vacuum around. And with the display right at the top, it's kind of just made for having your face right in front of it. Now, this one has a dust mite indicator. It pretty much only pops up when you're in an area that has like excessive particles, dust, skin, whatever, and you can kind of give that area a little extra attention until it goes away. The dust mite index doesn't go quite into depth as some of these do, but it's not really the most important feature. This one glides really nicely and you can see it as it picks everything up. So in round 1 with the couch, we got a lot of dust, we got some hair, a lot of pet hair, skin particles, definitely some food too, but like a lot of skin for sure. Let's go do the kids' room. All right, so with this, you can go over bare mattress or you can go over bed sheets, blankets, and the only thing is you kind of really have to keep things tight. Anything loose, and this has such powerful suction that it's gonna try to suck it up. But we use mattress protectors for these kids, couple layers, but kids are dirty, so this is gonna be crazy. Still on the original charge, by the way. We had 60% battery left after doing the whole sectional, but the kids' mattresses can be done in just a few minutes each. And for me, the main difference with the cordless option is just really being able to go from surface to surface without having to move the plug. It's a small detail and you can decide if that trade-off is worth having to recharge, but I kind of don't mind it. All right, results round 2 after about 5 more minutes of cleaning between 2 mattresses, you know, kids' mattresses, and they got new sheets 2 days ago. But you know, if anyone's dragging around dust and dirt and stuff, it's gonna be kids. Dust cup is really easy to clean up. You can just rinse it out under the sink and it'll take care of most of this. Let it dry out, charge her up for the next one, and it's ready to go. And just one last moment of appreciation for pet hair, for stickers. Yeah, I picked up a sticker. Definitely some food crumbs, but just a lot of dust. And I guess whatever else kids are carrying around. And so typically I'm about the corded options because you definitely get more power out of them, and usually they're like 15-foot power cords for these devices anyways. But this is kind of nice to just go room to room without having to drag a whole cord around, plug it in everywhere. It kind of is an extra level of convenience. The battery, if you're running it on the second highest mode, probably will last you like 30 minutes, I'd say, which is still pretty fair. It's still pretty fair, honestly. For 18 kPa of suction, that's more powerful than the 2 cordless, like actual stick vacuums that I have. So this definitely has a lot of power. The roller brush was rolling extremely fast. Definitely just instantly sucking up all sorts of dust. I mean, that's like dust and that's like skin particles in there. So keep in mind what you've been sitting on. I don't know if you've been thinking about trying one of these. They're definitely nice to have, very convenient. Definitely nice. FEPPO has been around for a bit and putting out some really high-powered mattress vacuums, and this one is no different if you want a cordless option. Check it out.